It's a modern take on a fairy tale that's set somewhere in a mystical land with some good doers and not so good doers in it. Non-Welsh speakers will be able to follow the story physically. We made sure that whatever is happening in the text and whatever's happening for the characters is reflected in how they're behaving with each other physically, which is why it's so great having so many physical performers. It's such a physical piece, and that's my domain, is the physical theatre side of it, that it was also really useful not to be able to understand the Welsh, because I can see in an instant when audiences will get lost if they don't speak Welsh. So it was quite nice to have a broad range of understanding. I've learnt a lot of Welsh. I started out performing circus maybe 15 years ago, and that was my into circus. And then I started doing street performing and clowning, and I went to France and then trained with big French clowns, which was all terrifying. And yeah, it's been a funny journey. I started 20 years ago doing sound, which has turned into one machine now, and now I've come full all the way back around, and now I'm directing things and doing the sound at the same time. I'd worked with the company before, doing some clowning with them for a street theatre show, and it was quite a lot of fun. And I think they got the sense that despite the difference in the language, I'd be able to find ways for them to have fun while performing and not make it a deathly dark, serious, mystical fairy tale, and actually just make it a bit of a hoot as well. So I think that's what drew them to me. And I was drawn to working with them because they're a crazy bunch of lovelies.